Good afternoon and welcome to Alps Global News Channel. Today is 14th of March 2025 and here are the top headlines from Malaysia, the international scene, and Asia. In Malaysia, the government is working on a plan to develop more sustainable health insurance. On the international front, Russian President Vladimir Putin has responded to a ceasefire proposal in Ukraine, setting out strict conditions. In Asia, after an epic rally, the US dollar is taking a breather, offering a much-needed pause for Asian economies. Now, for the full report, let's pass it over to Francis.
Thank you, Judith. Let's dive into the details. In Malaysia, efforts to create a more sustainable health insurance system are gaining momentum. Deputy Prime Minister Datuk Seri Dr. Ahmad Zahid Hamidi stated that this initiative is crucial for national health sector reform. The rising cost of medical care has led to an increase in health insurance and takaful claims, prompting the government to discuss premium adjustments, alternative products, and reforms that must be expedited between 2024 and 2026. While Malaysians welcome the initiative, they emphasize that affordability should not compromise healthcare quality. Internationally, Russian President Vladimir Putin acknowledged the concept of a Ukraine ceasefire, but laid out several conditions, questioning how the truce would be enforced. Ukraine has called his response a rejection in disguise. The U.S. has imposed further sanctions on Russian oil, gas, and banking sectors, while U.S. President Donald Trump expressed his hope for Russia to accept the ceasefire. However, both Russia and Ukraine remain divided on how to proceed with negotiations. Shifting focus to Asia, the U.S. dollar's dominance has momentarily eased after a historic surge. This pause provides an opportunity for Asian policymakers to recalibrate economic strategies. The Malaysian ringgit, Thai baht, and Indonesian rupiah have shown signs of stabilization, while nations navigate the complexities of global trade uncertainties. Policymakers remain cautious, especially with potential shifts in U.S. interest rates and economic policies affecting global markets.
Thank you, Francis. To summarize, Malaysia is moving towards a more sustainable health insurance system to address rising medical costs. Internationally, Russia and Ukraine remain at odds over ceasefire terms, with the US reinforcing sanctions. In Asia, the temporary pause in the US dollar's strength gives economies a chance to stabilize. That's all for this afternoon's news update. Stay tuned to Alps Global News Channel for the latest developments. Follow us on social media for real-time updates. Stay informed and stay safe.